In this video, I'll be going over how to calculate discount and find sale price. In any of the word questions that involve discount off of a certain price, you would need to first find the discount from the discount rate and then minus that off from the price to get the sale price. And the formula that we have for discount is the original price times by the discount rate. And then once we have that discount, we will take the discount and then we will minus it from price. So price minus discount will give us the sale price. And below are two examples, and we'll be going over each one of them. For the first example, we have 20% off of $80. So the first part is to find the discount. Now we know the discount rate is 20%. And the price is $80. So I'll put DR here as discount rate, and I'll put P as price. So we can see from the discount formula, we will need to take the price, which is $80, multiply by the discount rate, which you have 20%, and 20% in decimal is 0.2. And if we multiply 80 to 0.2, we will get $16. So $16 now is the discount. And now that we have the discount, we need to minus it from the price. And the price is $80. And we'll minus the $16 discount that we calculated. And 80 minus 16 is 64. So therefore, $64 would be the sale price. And $16 is the discount. Now for the second example, we will be basically doing the same thing where we have 30% as the discount rate, and then we have the price as $429.99. So first step, we're taking the price of $429.99 multiplied by the discount rate of 30%. And 30% in decimal is 0.3. So using a calculator, $429.99 times by 0.3, we would get $128.99. And that would be the discount. And now we have the discount. We would take the price again, $429.99 minus $128.99. And that would give us $301. So that would be the sale price, and $128.99 would be the discount. So that means out of $429.99, your saving was $128.99. So this is how you calculate discount and find sale price. You would first take the discount. You will need to first find out the discount dollar amount, in this case taking the price times the discount rate. And after you got the discount in dollar value, you will minus that from the price to get to your final sale price. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.